Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Bifrost Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bifrost Wallet app on your device and you will be asked to log into your account using your PIN code or your biometrics. So go ahead and enter your PIN code or your biometrics and you will be logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into your main wallet page where you will be shown all of your assets. Now, if you wish to delete your account and not use Bifrost Wallet anymore, then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. This will then take you into the settings menu. Now, from this page, if you scroll all the way down, you will find the option to delete wallet. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will be asked whether you have backed up your recovery phrase. This is a final warning, as without this, you will not be able to access your account once again or reopen it if you wish to reopen your account. So tap on the delete wallet option and now you will be logged out from your Bifrost Wallet account and your wallet will be deleted. Now, if you never want to access your account anymore, then make sure you first of all remove all of your assets from within the wallet and then delete your seed or key that you are given while signing up for your account. After you delete your seed or key, which is the only thing that will allow you to access your account, it is the same as deleting your account permanently. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Bifrost Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.